Figma just got a game-changing upgrade. Imagine transforming any static UI design into a smooth animation in seconds with the power of AI. In today's video, we'll explore a tool called Magic Animator that's turning heads across the design world. Let's dive in and see how to create animated UI magic right inside Figma. We'll start by heading over to Figma.com. To demonstrate this, I'm using the Apple Widgets UI Kit from the Figma community. You'll find the link in the video description below. This UI kit is perfect for testing animations with a variety of components like cards, titles, icons, and widgets. Once your design is ready, select the frame or element you want to animate. Then click on the Actions icon at the bottom and launch the plugin called Magic Animator. You can also search it manually using the Figma plugin search. Magic Animator automatically analyzes your frame, detects all the layers, and even warns you if something won't animate correctly. Just hit Generate Animations, and boom, your design gets sent to Lottielab, where the real AI magic happens. Within seconds, you get 4 stunning animation variations to preview. Click on any variation to preview or download. You can even export as MP4, WebM, GIF, or Lottie JSON file, perfect for websites or UI demos. Want more control? Tap Open or Edit Animation to head into Lottielab's editor and fine-tune your animation, from duration and easing to drop shadows and blurs.
Just click the panel at the bottom, and you can customize the easing to your preference. Set the duration if you want to speed up the animation.
Inside the editor, you can apply pre-made animations like slide, shrink, spin, twist, and more. Or create your own using keyframes. This level of control usually requires After Effects, but now it's all inside your browser. Once your animation is ready, you can embed it directly into your site or app using export links, or download the optimized files, all under 1 MB. Honestly, Magic Animator is the kind of plugin that turns motion design from a chore to a superpower.
And of course, you want a Lottie file for quick animations. For UI design, embed these animation into your current website or app is going to be super smooth with these links.
If you want more design tool breakdowns and animation tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to PX Mentor and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Got a tool you want us to review next? Drop it in the comments.